Before we see how to create this automation, let's see how this automation is going to run. So once I'm going to add all the details in my spreadsheet, automatically a post on LinkedIn will be posted for the same. So as you can see, I've added the job title, department, experience level, location, key responsibilities, required skills, employment type, salary range, and the notes. Now using these details, automatically job description will be generated and that will be posted on LinkedIn. So yes, you can see it is generated and posted right over here without any manual efforts. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to learn in today's video. As you can see, this is posted right over here and all the details are exactly the same. Hiring automation specialist, location is remote, the employment type, experience level, and the salary range. So let's see how to create this amazing automation. So now you have seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how to create this. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can post on LinkedIn 100 of times for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL, so copy this and open your Google Sheets. Now you have to go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So once you come on this extensions, you have to search for the name of the extension which is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now go on the search app and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and then you have to select the same right over here. You have to make sure that you install this extension. As you can see, I have already installed this, so I can move on further. If you haven't installed this, install this extension and then refresh your spreadsheet. It is very important that you refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in the extensions tab. Once you view this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. Now it is asking me for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So I'm just going to simply paste the URL which I copied from the workflow and then enter the trigger column which is I for me. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me it is I because I want to send these much of details towards my webhook URL. Like if you want to send only 4 details, your trigger column will be D. If you want to send 5 details, it will be E, F, and so on. Okay. Now after entering this webhook URL and the trigger column, click on this submit. Once you click on the submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. Now this means that we have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you just have to click on this send test button and it is saying test data sent successfully. It is sent this first row towards my workflow. So let's just open my workflow and Pabbly has captured the response for the same. Now using these details, we're just going to generate the job description which we're going to further post on our LinkedIn. Okay, so to generate this, click on this add new action step and we're going to use Google Gemini to generate this. So search for Gemini, which is Google AI Studio, and select the same. For the event, you have to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google AI Studio and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it's asking for the API key. So to get this API key, you have to open your Google AI Studio. The link is provided right over here. When you're going to click on this, your Google AI Studio Studio will open. Now from the left hand of the side, go on this Get API Key section and then Create API Key. Now you have to name your key, select the project and click on this Create Key button and your key will be created. Then you just have to copy your key and just paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this key, click on this Save and your Google AI Studio, which is Gemini, is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter the prompt using which we are just going to generate the description. Okay, so let's just enter this prompt. As you can see that this is my prompt. If you also want this prompt, it is attached in the description box below. The workflow URL is attached in the description box below. When you're going to open that workflow URL, you're going to view this prompt too. Also, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Now you're going to see this is the prompt, and in this prompt we have to enter certain details like this: job title, department, experience level, location, employment type, and the rest of the details. But always a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one I am going to map all the details, and in order to map these details you have to put a slash, search for the detail and map it like this. So let's just map all the details. Use it, we're going to generate the job description which we'll further post on LinkedIn. Okay, so one by one let's map the details. Let's just map this key responsibilities, required skills, and then additional notes too. After mapping all the details, you can move on further. Now for the model, let's select it as Gemini 2.5 Flash. You can select any another of your choice. There are multiple options. For the method, select it as generate content only and then click on the save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, it is going to generate as the job description which we're going to post on LinkedIn. So now you can see we have received this response right over here, which is ready to post content on our LinkedIn. So we're going to post this on our LinkedIn, and this is the job description of automation specialist, and the details are exactly the same which we entered right over here in our spreadsheet. Okay, so let's just move on further and post it on our LinkedIn. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for LinkedIn. Now search for LinkedIn over here and you have to select LinkedIn. For the event, you have to select it as share simple text and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. Now just log in your LinkedIn account from the left hand of the site, and once you log in your LinkedIn account, yes, it is connected with Pabbly Connect. It is asking for the authors, so it is saying no options found, so you just have to refresh these fields and the options will appear. You have to click on this refresh fields button and the options will appear. For the content, just put a slash and then map the content which Gemini generated. Now for the visibility, you can select it according to your own choice and click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully shared this on our LinkedIn. So let's open our LinkedIn and you can see that we have successfully posted a new post. I am just going to show you. Over here is the new post and it is exactly the same which we received from Gemini. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we created right now. But now if you want to run this workflow in real time, just open your spreadsheet, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and make sure that you have switched on this button which is send on event. If this button is switched on, then only this workflow is going to run in real time. Now whenever we are going to enter the details of the job over here, instantly the post will be posted on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to show you. As you can see, I've entered the details right over here. Now all of these details will be sent towards my workflow. Gemini is going to generate the description and automatically we are going to post it on our LinkedIn. So let's open our LinkedIn, and once we're going to refresh this, yes, you're going to see a new post is posted right over here with the new details. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation. Once we're going to refresh this all posts, you're going to see, yes, a new post is posted on my LinkedIn. And yes, this is no magic. Once again, I'll just let you know that this is the power of automation which you created right now. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.